Hi, my friend. Welcome to the Digital Information Quiz 1 in this exam. So you will solve problems. Also, later I will solve with you what I believe. In this exercise, already we just learned something about binary numbers, bits and bytes. Now, totally, we have to solve this problem about this lessons. Now, this will check your information about before. Just feel good about it, okay? Because this thing's easy. Just what you learned, you will repeat it, okay? So it will be easy for that. So first, what I want to do, I want to write here, yes, in this place, I want to say digital information, and then I want to come here. I want to say quiz 1. Okay, this is our exam. It will be our practice and exam, what you can say. Maybe you can say exercise. It's really no matter what you say. So just we have to solve this problem. This is important than title or some other things, okay? Then I will come here. Yeah, I can change color, right? Then again, I will come down here. Yes, now we will write all the question. I will say 1 and start from here, right? Yes, the one is you've decided to use binary. You've decided to use binary. To use binary. Okay. To communicate. To communicate. Maybe you remember this question already before we did there some example together. So it's just I told you repeating your. So it's just checking your information, all the question again. Communicate, I think it's true, right? And then we sang uh, script messages. Okay, and then messages to your friend, and you want to tell him, him, you want to tell him to meet you at locker to meet you. I think to meet you, right? To meet you at locker 44. Yes. Okay. Now we will say what would be the binary? What would be the binary representation? Binary representation of the decimal number. The decimal number 44. Okay. Now we will say also type binary number without any spaces. Without any space, any spaces. It's good. Now this one is good. Now what I want to do here, I can do something like that maybe. So this one here, I can say rectangle, and I will do this one. So this will be our answer, and I just want to come here, and I just maybe this one can be little down. Okay, really it's not matter. It's no matter. Yes, this one here. Now let's think about that. So it will be binary. Just think 44. You have to think power of 2. Okay. Now you can understand the situation or position of the number. So what do you think? Anyway, okay, you can pause the video, then you can solve these problems. But before, I want to give you some idea to explain it to you. So what I want to do here now, you have to think. We are looking for 44. This is our decimal number, right? We want to solve this problem with the binary numbers. So, okay, what we have to do, we know 0 power of 2, 1 power of 2, 2 power of 2, 3 power of 2, 6 2 till 8 power of 2, and we can go on, okay? Okay, now we have to think this 32, it's not 32, it's greater than 32. It is, I think it have to be between 32 and 64. So, and then what we have to say, so if you think 5 power of 2, I think 5 power of 2 have to be like 32, right? 6 power of 2 have to be 64. And then, yes, we have to go together. Now we have to think, we have to put there 6 bits, right? Because 6 power of 2 have to be have to be 64, right? If you say 7 power of 2, it have to be 128, okay? It's not, we are looking for what we are looking for it. So we are looking for the number 64 and 32 between, so our decimal number between this two number, right? So between power of 5 and between power of 6. Okay, we have 6 digit there. We know 6 digit. Okay, what we have to do now, so we will go together. This is less than 64, then we have to put 0. So 0. Then our number, it's greater than 32, and we have to put 30, so 1, like 32. And then we don't need 16, because 32 plus 16, I think it will make like 48. We are not looking for 48, we are looking for 44, so we have to put 0. So then we have 8 for 8. So we need 8, right? So if we put there 32 plus 8, it will be 40. Okay, now we have 40. Just we are looking for 4, okay? Now what we have to do, then 8, we have also, we need 1 4. Okay, if we put 1, yes, our number now 44. We find it, but what we have to do, then we have to go on for complete displays. Okay, now I will say for 2, we have to put 0, and for 1, we have to put 0. So our number 0101 100. So now, so this is our solution for this, okay? This is our answer. Now we will say why we have 7 number here. Just don't worry about that, because I told you for find this number, you have to represent this between 64 and 32. Now I told you, if you count it, then you will find the number there. Okay, because if you put there 32 till 0, then okay, we can represent it, but it's not possible with this way. Okay, this one is true answer. Okay, the solution is that. I think you got it. Anyway, I'm coming down. We are looking now other question now together. So okay, which of the following which of the following, yes, following is a single byte of, is a single byte, okay, not bit, byte, single byte of digital information, digital information, yes. So now I will come down and I will say each choice, right? Each choice is Express it is express it in binary. Oh, it is amazing. We know about binary. Okay. Now I will come down and I will say choose one answer. That's good. Now we have A, we have B, we have C, we have D. So we have, and also we have E. Okay, we will solve together also. The first one, just come here. The first one, our first one, first will be 1000. But this is too much for. Okay, this one is okay. The other one will be one, only one, and the other one will be 01, 01, 0001, and the other one 1010, 1010, and 1001, and 11010111. This one is that 0101, and also other one. This is 0101100001. Okay. I told you we are looking for what? What do you think? We are looking for single byte of digital information. What do you think about byte? What is the byte? How you are counting byte? How many bits can be byte? I give you already uh, some example. I'm sorry, I gave some hints. Maybe you will solve now. Anyway, okay, let's come here. Now we will do together. Okay, there is something can make your brain little mixing. First one will be what? It will be 8 bit. Yep, it will be 8 bit because 8 times. So 1 times 0, 0, 2 times 0, 0. So also you can think like 3 power of 2, it will be 8, and we don't have anything then later of this. Then just this is 8. So this is 8 bits. 8 bits. But this is not byte, okay? Because why? I will give you example for that. Because this is not like 8 bits next to next. This is only 8 bits in number. So it's not 8 bits, maybe 8 decimal. Sorry, so you can think like that. This is 8 decimal number. Decimal number 8. Decimal number 8. This one. And let's come here. So this one is just one, okay? 1 bit, you can say for it, 1 bit. This is 1 bit, okay? Single bit. This is single bit, okay? It's not single byte. This one is single bit. And also this, I told you. Right, and then just come here. What can be this one? What do you think? This one is, we have 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that, we have 8 bits. So this is the true answer. Correct answer is that because we have 8 bits here. 8 bits can be 1 byte, single byte. This is the true, and we can say for it a byte. Byte is 8 bits. Okay. So, and then we have the other one is not true. Okay, you know why? Because there is lots of numbers, lots of bit. We are looking only for 1 byte, single byte. We are not looking for 2 byte, not lots of byte. So it's lots of lots of bits. So also you can say more bytes. Also you can say here this is this is and logic. Or you can say this is not true, okay? Not true. Not true. Also say 42 same things. Not true because this is not byte, okay? Later, what I want to do here, I want to do something like that. I will take my pencil and I will say here, this can be green, and I want to select it because we have 8 bits here. 8 bits can be 1 byte, so should be 1 byte. If I'm okay, let's come down. Let's go other question. So now we will say your classmate. Yep. Your no, yes, this here now. Your classmate construct, classmate construct, constructs simple computer, a simple computer that odds numbers, odds numbers. There are okay. There are 5 virus. So virus are currently currently on on of, so not off only, off, it's like that. This and this one, yes, here. And we have also the other one is on, the other one is off. Okay, so also we can say or this is like 11010. Okay, this is something like that in binary, in binary. Okay, down and say what decimal numbers, yes, number does that represent, does that represent. Okay, let's look together. What I want to do here, I will, so also we have to put number of question. Maybe this one is also, and the other one is, this one is 2. I forget, sorry. I will come down, yes, here, and yep, it can be here, yes, and then I will do again something like that, and I will put number here. Okay, Now first you have to solve this, then I will look. You can pause the video here. I will solve it. We have to be a little bit fast. Okay, now we have 5 wires. So they are coming circuits, like in circuits. Okay, so what we have to do here, first we have to think. We have 5 bits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the number of power of 2, right? 5 power of 2. What is this 5 power of 2? What do you think? The first one, okay. First one is 0 power of 2, 1 power of 2, 2 power of 2, 3 power of 2, 4 power of 2. So 4 power of 2. The last one, I told you, this is 0 power of 2, 1 power of 2, 2 power of 2, 3 power of 2, 4 power of 2. 4 power of 2 have to be 16. The other one will be 8. 16 plus 8, what is it? What do you think? This is 24. Okay, 24. Also, we have 4 here, but for nothing, so it's empty. So we know 24, it's 0, and 24, then 4, we have 2 here, okay? So 2 times 1, it's 2. 24 plus 2, it will be 26, and we have 0 here already, so it's 26. So our answer have to be 26. Okay, this one is true answer here. Let's look question 4. Yes, do together. 4. What is 4? Which of these values can be stored? Which of these values can be stored? No, stored in a single bit. Single bit. Okay. I will say choose one answer. This one is good. Just take one. Come down. Yes. Now we are looking for 1 bit. Single bit. This is very easy question. Just use your logic, okay? This is really easy. And this one is D. And I will come up. The first one is 4. No, for 4, we need not only 1 bit. We need other bits, right? How we can represent this 1 bit? So 1 bit can be 0 or 1. Yep, can be something 0 or 1. Two possibility, but for 4, if our decimal number is that, so for 4 we need more bits, right? So where is my thing here? Right here. Yep. Okay, let's come down. This is not true, I mean. Other one will be 10. I told you decimal number 10, we need more bits to represent this number. We need 2 power of 3, no, 3 power of 2, or 4 power of 2, we can think. 3 power of 2 will be 8, okay? 8 plus 2 will be 10, like I mean 1 power of 2. So then we can find this solution, and we have 1 and 0 like that. No, our system cannot fill with this numbers list, with this list. This is special. When you start to learn programming, then you will understand what I'm saying, but for now just don't learn too much about that. This is not true answer. The 1 will be true because why? Things can be 1 or 1. So 0 or 1. Okay, in 1 bit there is can be two things, 0 or 1. Also you can think like uh, can be 0 or 2, 0 or 4, 0 or 8, 0 or 64, something like that. There is just one possibility. But uh, so what is the question here in single bit? So it's saying what can what we can put there. I mean, so there is we can't put lots of number because this is binary system. So this is not decimal system. Okay, we can represent 10 with some bits, but we can't put in bits 10 or 4 or another things because this is binary system, binary counting system. Already we saw last lessons, we did together all the we saw all the topics about that. So we just have two numbers there, 0 or 1, 0 1 1 0. It's all the time going like that. We don't have 2 3 5, something like that. For that we are using power of 2, right? We are not using power of 10. This is in decimal number system. We have power of tens, like 1 power of 10. Then we have for represent hundreds, we have 2 power of 10, and also it's all the time going like that, right? You know that. So it's binary system, just we have two options, 0 or 1, and we don't have another numbers there because this is not decimal. Okay, just we need 1 or 0. So this is the question. We don't have another number in binary system. It's already binary. We are saying binary, 1 or 0. Anyway, this one is true. Answer is that. I will come down. This is the last question now we will solve together. I hope you'll enjoy. I will say 5. Yeah, the 5, the iPhone, the Apple iPhone includes a settings menu, includes a settings menu where you can toggle, where you can toggle or you can toggle various various accessibility accessibility what is that? Right, accessibility uh, options on or off, options on or off. Look at that, it's the same. I told you 0 or 1. There is two options because it's binary system. Anyway, now I will do something here together with you. I'll come here and I will do something like that. It can be our system because I will put there something with you and I will tag line. Maybe I can do some line here. It's this one is good. Maybe I think this one is not. I'm not saying good, but I think it's this good. Right. Anyway, tag one down. Maybe we can do a little bigger that. This one. Right. This one is okay. Now we have something here. I will do with ellipse. What I can do this one here, something like that. Yes, and then the other one will be, yeah, then I will duplicate it and I will put one here. And also I want to change color for make it good. It will be green. Yes, this one can be just like yeah, something like that. It's really not important, just but this one is not have to be this color. Maybe it can be same color with this. Okay, anyway, just think it's also same color. And we need one more. We'll put here. And okay, so what we want to do here, the first I will write here, this one is, yes, this one is mono audio. Yes, this one is mono audio. Yeah, other one, yes. Anyway, I will put already here. This one is that. Maybe I can close this one. Yep. This one here, let's close it. Yep. This one is phone uh, noise cancellation. Phone noise noise cancellation. Uh, cancellation. Cancellation. Let's take it here. And the other one will be hearing and compatibility. Hearing and compatibility. Okay, this one I will take more here, duplicate, then come down. Hearing and compatibility. Compatibility. This one is will be bigger. Right. Okay, just take this one little right, and take this one is little bit right, and take this one is here. Anyway, it's still looking very bad. It's come down, and this one will be green, so this one is open, the other ones is closed. Okay, you can think like that. It's not too much good, but you can think, okay, this one is 0, so I mean, yeah, this one is 0, this one is 0, only phone noise cancellation is open. Okay, yeah, now what we want to do here, so we will say what is the minimum, is the minimum, is the minimum, what is the minimum number of bits, number of bits that can represent, that can represent those three options, those and those three options. So okay, now just think, first you have to think about that. Okay, I will take rectangle again. This is our answer, please. We need one answer. Okay, what is our answer? Just first you have to think, then I will do. So we have three option menu. So three man option menu. What is the minimum number of bits that can represent this situation? Yeah, the question and the answer, the correct answer is 3. Because look at that. We need, so we can do here 0 or 1. This place is 1 bit. The other one can be again 0 or 1 or whatever, okay, what we represent. This is not important. It can be 8 or something like that, but just it's representing. Just think you will represent words A. So words A or B or C or D, you said 64 or 65. Then you have to do 7, so 6 power of 2. Or just think like what, it's just say you represent number 25 with the bits. Okay, you said number 65 have to be like 32. I mean, with the binary system, just this will be 5 power of 2. Then just think, when you do 1 power of, so 5 power of 2, the our number will be, we will apply it, so we will apply it, so we will, when we apply it, then we know this is the green. Okay, if it is 0, then we know this is the not green, this is red. And if our number is 32, like 64, this will be green. Okay, I think my explain it not good, but just try to understand. Okay, we have two situation, and it just can be 0 or 1 or some other number, but this is not important. Just we have three option menu here. We can represent them with the 3 bits. Okay, so three possibility. Okay, anyway, this is 3. Answer is 3. We can store number in 1 bit. It's really not important, whatever. So this is the last question. Thank you so much for joining it. Our first digital information quiz one finish. We will do lots of digital information quiz also. So digital information quiz 2, digital information quiz 3, and when we are done all the topics, then we will go other subtopic of computer science. Let's let's say it's finished here. Thank you so much. I hope you'll get note here. I'll notice you. Uh, I'll notice you. You have to check all the answer here. It will help in the future for understand computer science and computer analogy, computer mind, so computer logic. Thank you so much. See you later. Be careful. Have a good time.